Yo, if a cop pulls me over, bro, I'm just gonna be like, "Sure, officer."
You sure you wanna pull me over?
Not in my speed triple, sir.
And then he just shoots you.
I got the guns on me, bro. Do you have any weapons on you, sir? Yeah, I just got
I think I
this one right here.
Dude, they were walking like literally. They pointed to me like towards this bike. They started walking over here, you know what I mean? Like that fucking cowboy there rooming up in this town for the tour bus time.
Yeah.
One of them went to go get fucking donuts or something.
Oh yeah. Quick run before I get this written up here.
He got distracted. He was like,
Yeah. He's like, nah. Donut line.
Yeah, I hate it when traffic gets in the way, bro. When I'm trying to have fun, I wish everyone could just go home.
And I do it, Willie.
Like, remember COVID, where everyone did just go
Oh my
home?
god, dude, people are talking about another lockdown again. I'm like, please, please, another lockdown.
You'd be the only one out.
If you start thirst trapping, bro,
I
break
can't.
TikTok.
I don't have the body for it, homeboy.
Turn it left, by the way. Yeah, you would fucking break that platform, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
Bro, I swear to God, people in my comments, like, they love you.
Nah. I'ma do me, and me is chill, quiet, low key.
Nah,
I'll stay off of that shit.
nah, bro. Start shaking your ass.
Cause that's a chicken ass of the deli.
Show them what you got, bro.
It's a chicken ass of
You
the
want an
deli.
H2?
I'll get one in a couple years.
Get one tomorrow.
I gotta buy a house now.
Start an OnlyFans, bro. You can get one tomorrow.
Sell feet pics.
Feet pics. That's one way to do it. Could
I need to find myself a house. Once I pay off my work truck, I mean, I could probably outright fucking get an H2 like immediately.
Good luck in this housing market. That's what I've been looking
Not
for.
now. That's why I haven't. Are we not activating this fucking light?
We're both on the things. Kind of be unfortunate if we don't. They hit the walk sign, so we should get it regardless. Yeah, there we go.
Alright.
We're gonna have to wait for them now. Wait. We gotta wait for people walking.
Right?
what?
Still recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, he does fucking TikTok.
You know how many fucking
He's like
cops
big
come
on
up here?
TikTok.
This is the one. We actually got plates. We're ready for this shit.
If you want to
got plates and
collab, do it with
insurance. I
this
really don't
fucking
care.
kid. What are you at, like $1 million?
2.7.
Yeah, I'm not even fucking. I don't want to say this like, but I don't follow you. But your shit always pops up.
I don't even do.
This right
people
here
think
is
it's
body
fucking.
perfection.
I was just telling
go for
bro,
it,
there's so many people obsessed with him.
And then I was
Let me
like,
ride this, I'll let you ride that.
and then I was like, no bullshit.
This is crazy. That's crazy.
I've
fucking-
rode a factory one, but I haven't rode a modded one.
Dude, he let me ride it the first fucking time he let me ride it. I'm like,
This is 1,000, right? Is this the Fireblade though?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is
Awesome.
the $20-some thousand one. It's like 20-some thousand, right?
I know,
It was like
really.
30 basically. By
Okay.
the end of
Yeah,
it.
it was
Like,
like-
by getting it shipped here, then
Okay.
our state tax was like $2,000.
I didn't know if it was like 25 or higher because I know it's like I didn't know if it was like the 1,000 model special or if it was the actual Fireblade model, which is
Stuff on this
kind of like
fucking
Harley
weird.
CVO.
Yeah, it's in a dumbass position. You gotta reach down. It's real fucking
Like,
stupid.
I have the
I like
keyless
that
on
white.
CX-10, like I did the Bonominci.
And the other dumb thing is, with his,
It's a bug.
you can open that gas tank.
yeah, watch this.
But I gotta actually pull my key fob out and put my key in here to actually open it. That shit doesn't. Yeah, it's real flaky.
Do
It's
that
insane.
again? What the fuck? You just push it?
That's how my
kinda like.
dude. That's how my Harley.
Well, here,
is.
watch this.
Let me see.
Wait,
Oh,
wait,
my
wait,
Harley's
wait,
the
wait.
same way. My brand new Harley one. Wait, can you lock the tank?
Okay, that's.
Wait.
Oh, no,
It was still turning on.
Yeah. I gotta pull my.
Wait, will it lock on its own?
Okay, well it should. Okay.
Mine won't. Mine just opens.
Now it's gonna make an ass out of you.